Modern analog alarm clock, LED for heavy sleepers, night light for bedroom, bedside table. The clock features a twin bell design with a small hammer for optimum loudness when ringing. Perfect for heavy sleepers and hearing impaired. This clock cannot be snoozed, so you can be sure to wake up. Operated by one piece of double a battery, but take note that the battery is not included. Easily see the time at night by pressing the dedicated backlight button. It turns off when you stop pressing, optimizing the battery power.